Drum dummy.
Young Boss Music.
So much pain that you caused me. I look at the pain in my mama's eyes. This shit got me stressed, it got me traumatized. And mama know I can't tell no lies, baby. And all these people steady plotting and they faking. I look at the pain in my mama's eyes. This shit got me stressed, it got me traumatized. And mama know I can't tell no lies, baby. And all these people steady plotting and they faking. Yeah, I told my mama I can't switch up, I can't fool. All these niggas steady changing, all these lanes on me. Told my brother stick by my side, we gon' win. Told my brother stick by my side, we gon' win. Ain't all these niggas pretending who they wanna be. Them niggas talking all that shit, but they ain't even me. I told my mama I can't switch up, I can't fool. Lost a lot of people going up that road. Oh, my brother switching up, I can't fool. So my girl stick by my side, I'm gonna get it poppin'. Get my team big, we gon' get it poppin'. Be at the war, still shining on these lame niggas. And all these niggas switching up, I can't fuck with them. I told my mama I'm taking this fucking music serious. Put the team on my back, I'm feeling like Ricky. Niggas talking all this shit and I really don't feel them. Yeah, and all this shit come from the heart, nigga. I see my cousin killer, I'm off, nigga. And all these niggas talking about what they gon' do for their brothers. Niggas tripping, I'ma get it straight off the muscle.
What's good with y'all? I'm back with another YouTube video, and today we're gonna see how much it is to fill up my 2017 Camaro SS. I got it all the way on empty, so we're gonna see how much it's gonna take. Let's get it. We at $17 right now, only 3 gallons of gas.
Like I said, them neck breakers always at the gas station.
Always at the gas station. And I know this car by the tape. Yeah, I used it. The fuel reward.
Yeah, say, use that app I was telling you about, because I think
I forgot to use it just now. I forgot. $30, $40, only 7 gallons. We know this car about to take the whole 70, so we gonna see. Hey, this car says she want all the money. $70, only 13 gallons. Yep, so we in the car. 70 didn't fill up. I probably would have needed to put 75 maybe, because the gas where I got it from was high. So yeah, but you know I gotta get y'all them pulls that y'all need. You feel me? Let's get it. Yes, sir. Stepping out the motherfucker. Stop playing. Yes, sir. Hello. Hey, stop playing.
big wild body shit, man. It's plug in kind of already know my shit.
You hear me?
This is me, the regular guy. Yeah. 300 customs on the wrap on the
You hear me?
Go look at this sticker.
Oh yeah. Hold on. Stop playing. Tap in. It's the only way we know it. Wide body. That SS. What y'all think we lacking? Huh. You know what it is. You see them Brumbos. Yes, sir. Man, today this video gonna be about my dog Rob getting his exhaust done, mid-muffler delete, resonator delete on his 2017 Dodge Charger 5.7. And y'all already know I got the SS, you feel me? So we're gonna be doing some cosmetic things to my SS today that I've been wanting to do. Shout out to my dog Sumo. I'm gonna drop his Instagram in the description. Y'all get with him. He teaches me how to wrap cars and everything. So let's, without further ado, let's get into this video, man. You feel me? Let's get it.
Come make this camera.
He ain't gonna fuck.
Come make this camera.
Not fucking with.
Slow him up. He gonna fuck with something. You better make him fuck with something. Slow him up. Wazam! Make this camera, nigga. Make the camera, nigga. Hey, look at him. He like, yeah. Make this camera, nigga. Oh, he right there. Oh, he got you. Hold up. You said stick balls. You said stick balls, man. Oh no. No, Moxie hang up. I took it off the speaker thing. Hello?
I'm back here fucking with him right now.
Slow down. He said police.
Police? You see it? Yes, sir. Muffler shop. Muffler delete, resonator delete. On the 5.7. You feel me?
You gotta get behind me.
You gotta hit. I gotta get your reaction. Huh, give him the key.
You ain't gonna start it like that, bitch. You need that key.
This that, yeah.
This big orange
He
tangerine by there.
always
Bitch out here matching his car and shit.
It's fucking.
Look at him.
gotta look at it. Look at it.
Look at this dog ass.
Oh shit. Yeah.
I told you, bitch.
Yeah.
I told you. It's that bitch.
that shit. I love that dog.
You see it? CTSV. So we coming. Supercars every day, baby. That's CTSV, you hear me? Yeah, feel me? We got the scat. You feel me? We got whatever you need. 6'4", 5'7". 5'7", 6'4". What you want? Round? Another 392. Hellcat reps. Yes, sir.
It got me traumatized. And mama know I can't tell no lies, baby. And all these people steady plotting and they faking. I look at the pain in my mama's eyes. This shit got me stressed, it got me traumatized. And mama know I can't tell no lies, baby. And all these people steady plotting and they faking. Yeah, I told my mama I can't switch up, I can't fool. All these niggas steady changing all these lanes on me. Told my brother stick by my side, we gon' win. Told my brother stick by my side, we gon' win. Ain't all these niggas pretending who they wanna be. Them niggas talking all that shit, but they ain't even me. I told my mama I can't switch up, I can't fool. Lost a lot of people going up that road. But my brother switching up, I can't fool. So my girl stick by my side, I'm gonna get it poppin'. Get my team big, we gon' get it poppin'. Be at the war, still shining on these lame niggas. And all these niggas switching up, I can't fuck with them. I told my mama I'm taking this fucking music serious. Put the team on my back, I'm feeling like Ricky. Niggas talking all this shit and I really don't feel them. Yeah, and all this shit from the heart, nigga. I see my cousin killer, I'm off, nigga. And all these niggas talking about what they gon' do for their brothers. Niggas tripping, I'ma get it straight off the muscle. Yeah, and it's straight off the muscle.